Today we're going to be back testing this swing trade trading strategy on TradingView. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name is David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at a higher time frame trading strategy, which we're going to be back testing on TradingView. It's going to involve the Stochastic indicator and we're going to be back testing it on Sol USDT. So without further ado, I guess the best idea is to get straight over to my computer, show you the indicators involved in this trading strategy and back test it as far as we possibly can. If that sounds something interesting to you, why not subscribe to the channel? I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday about profitable trading strategies, and while you're there, if you don't mind giving the video a good old like, it really helps to grow the community. You'll also find all of the DaviddTech strategies down in the description below, where you'll be able to add them to TradingView and also connect them directly to bots. Okay, that's enough. Let's get over to my screen and let's have a look at this trading strategy. Okay guys, here I am on Sol USDT on the 2-hour time frame. Giving credit where credit was due, this trading strategy was given to me by one of the members of the DaviddTech community. Forex, congratulations to you for this setup. Thank you very much for summoning it to us and allowing us to backtest this trading strategy. Okay, the first indicator that we're going to be using today is the T3. Now I use this very often. I am going to try and find other indicators very soon as well, but this one definitely is a brilliant indicator. The T3 by DaviddTech is one of the best indicators for finding trend directions that I've ever found. So T3 by DaviddTech is free and open source. You can find it on my website, DaviddTech.com. Just go up to the top here and click free indicators and you'll be able to find the T3 as the very first indicator just there. Add it to your favorites, search for it on TradingView and you'll be able to add it to your charts. Okay, as you can see, the T3 gives us our trend direction. We call it a baseline here on DaviddTech. When price is above the T3 and it is green, we're looking for longs, and when it's below, we're looking for shorts. Now, I do have to make a very slight modification to the indicator. I'm going to go up to the cog up here and we're going to set inputs to 7 for the length and 0.3 for the actual factor. That's going to give us a little bit more wiggle room for the T3 so we won't be stopped out as often. Okay, there you go. As you can see, it looks great and hugs price and gives us a perfect baseline. Okay, so the next indicator that we're going to be adding is the dynamic range by DaviddTech here. So we're going to go over to indicators. We're going to go to dynamic range by DaviddTech here. Now, like I said earlier, this one is found on the DaviddTech website. So dynamic range, we're going to add that to our charts. And the dynamic range is a very powerful indicator that helps us to get out of markets when it's overheated and blowing off tops here. So we're going to actually be putting a line here so we can see it at about 80. Now, anytime that price is below the 80, we can take a long or a short. It's going to help us to filter out bad entries from the T3. So if price is below this 80 line, we can take a long or a short. So as you can see, this would have been absolutely perfect as an example. And if we were here, it would actually get us out of this tiny short here, which would have been probably a loss. So yeah, very powerful as an indicator. We're going to now add another indicator, which is going to help us to stay out of the market in the wrong times. So this indicator is called the stock. And we're going to go all the way rolling down here to the technicals section of the TradingView. And we're going to add this statistic indicator just here. Now the stochastic indicator has a little bit of changes that we need to do. We're going to go into the cog and we're going to go over to our inputs. We're going to change the length of the percentage K to 10, the smoothing to 4, and the de-smoothing to 3. We're going to then go over to style. I'm going to make the K a little bit thicker for YouTube, and then we're going to remove the D from the situation. We don't actually need it. We're going to then move the upper band to 85 and the lower band to 25. Now the stochastic indicator is also a very powerful indicator and we're going to be using it a bit unconventionally. We're actually just going to be using it to stay out of the market, a bit like the dynamic range. So if the stochastic indicator is above this 85 line, we're not going to take any longs whatsoever. And same goes for the lower section here, the potentially oversold section here. If the stochastic is below this 25 line here, we don't take any shorts. That's it. So most of the entries are coming from the T3, and these two indicators are going to help us to filter out bad trades. It's a bit of a different way of thinking of things. Instead of our NNFX normal 1 trend direction and 2 confirmations, actually we're just using indicators to filter out bad trades from our original T3. Okay, we have one last indicator to add, and that is for our take profit and stop loss. Okay, I've marked on a chart here a entry. As you can see, the T3 has crossed over from red to green here on this candle just here. We have the dynamic range below the 80 level and not in red. The stochastic is in the middle here, below these blow off tops here and above the bottoms here. So we're going to take an entry just here. This is going to be a long because the T3 is green, and we are above the T3. So we would get our entry here. We're going to go to the indicators over here and add the ATR bands by DaviddTech. We're going to set our ATR bands to 3 with a multiplier of 3, giving us a little bit more wiggle room. And we're going to set our stop loss to that ATR band. Boom. Right. And then our take profits, we're going to be looking for a risk to reward of 1.1, just like that. As you can see, that would have been a perfect entry with a great exit of 4.93% take profit. Perfect. Okay guys, let's get over to the backtesting results, as I don't need to code this, as everything was provided by that wonderful user from the DaviddTech community. But before I do guys, I'd love to share with you our new website that we've built here on DaviddTech. All of the DaviddTech strategies can be found on our website, and you can see how they're performing live on trading. You can see all of the backtesting results and compare them to the forward trading results, so the live trading results. You can see how they're doing on live trades currently on the months where we are, and also backtesting as far as you possibly can. You can also click on this copy bot button just here and connect it directly to your favorite exchange like Bybit, who are currently offering a trading fee reduction to all of the DaviddTech members. You'll be able to find that down in the links below as well. Trading fee reductions are a huge edge on the market, guys, so don't miss out on the opportunity to get a reduction on your fees. Okay, let's get over to those backtesting results. Okay, here we are on Sol USDT. Drum roll, please. Boom. Right, okay, as you can see, the backtesting results looks absolutely amazing. You can see that most of the months all the way back to 2021 are actually in the green. The equity curve looks absolutely amazing. Currently a bit of a hard top, but has been pumping since the beginning of the strategy. Let's have a look at these results here. We have a net profit of 4,723% net profit. 309 closed trades. We have a win rate of 57% and a profit factor of 1.8. The max drawdown is a little bit high, but we are using 10x leverage. As you can see, the max drawdown is at 31%. Let's have a look at the other results here. If you would have brought Sol all the way back here, you would currently be up 24%, and with this strategy you would be up 4,723%, which is absolutely incredible. Some of the other results are max wins in a row were 9, max losses in a row were 5, total losses was 131, total wins was 178. Looks amazing, guys. I think it looks great as a strategy. There is one thing that I didn't realize, was that it is on a bit of a custom time frame. I thought it was on 2 hours, but it's on 133 minutes. If you look at the 2-hour time frame, the backtesting results also look pretty good. The max drawdown does look extremely high on the 2-hour. Hopefully this isn't overfitted to the time frame, but only time will tell. You'll be able to see it transparently on the DaviddTech website with all of the live trades to make sure that it is trading the way it should be, with all the other wonderful settings from all of the amazing users from the elite backtesters on DaviddTech. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. I have one last thing to do, and that is to give away 1 million bonk. If you're interested in participating in the giveaway, don't forget guys to put a comment down below. Comment your favorite indicator or something like that. I give away 1 million bonk in every single video to one random comment. So let's give away 1 million bonk. Okay, we're going to be giving away 1 million bonk to this video here to a random comment. Okay, we have 31 comments. Let's go. Congratulations to you, you've just won 1 million bonk. Don't forget to comment down below, guys. Thank you for joining me. You can find this Spotify setup on TradingView and also inside of my Discord. You'll be able to find all of the links to DaviddTech strategies down below in the description, and also giveaways and wonderful reductions and all of that stuff in the description. Don't forget, guys, have a great day. I will see you on Friday. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye-bye, guys. Take care. Bye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.